Hello, I am Vicente Aceituno, Director of Innovament Spain. Welcome to my weekly video blog. This week, I wanted to tell you about security metrics. What are metrics? Metrics are measurements that have units and that have a meaning in a certain context. So, for example, if someone tells you a kid is 1 meter 10 tall, that means nothing unless you know how tall are normally kids his own age. So we could define a metric as a measurement that gets a meaning from comparing that measurement with previous measurements or comparable measurements from third parties. What can you measure in information security? You can measure risk, you can measure compliance, you can measure project management, and more importantly, you can measure the actual value that you provide to the business, which is process management. The units of these process metrics will be the deliverables that actually provide value to our customers. We need metrics in order to manage information security, to take decisions related to our situation, to make plans, prioritize efforts, to have a feedback loop that help us understand if the decisions we took are correct or we need to fix them. So, if there's any metric where we will take the same decision whatever the value the metric takes, then that metric is not very useful. If you were to remember only 3 things from this video, please remember that metrics are numbers that have a meaning thanks to the context, they have units, and they are used to support decisions. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you next week.